Hi everyone! Welcome to iLabMath again. So, nandito na tayo sa part 2 ng mathematical system natin. And that is actions, postulate, and theorems. Okay. I-review natin yung nakaraan nating lesson. Meron tayong 4 classification of mathematical system. We have undefined terms, defined terms, actions or postulates, and theorem. So, natapos na natin yung undefined terms sa part 1. So, dito na tayo sa actions, postulates, and theorems. So, pasadahan na natin yung previous lesson natin. Undefined terms, meron tayong point, line, and a plane. Sa under naman sa defined terms, meron tayong 7, line segment, ray, angle, collinear points, non-collinear points, coplanar points, and non-coplanar points. So, we will proceed to actions or postulates and theorems. So, what is actions or postulates? These are assumptions or statements whose truth is accepted or assumed without proof. These statements can be used as reason in proving some mathematical statements. Magagamit natin actions or postulates in proving or as a reason in proving some mathematical statements. So we have postulate number 1. By the way, meron ang actions or postulates, meron niyang 6 postulates. So we have postulate 1. A line contains at least 2 points. Na-discuss na natin yan sa line. A line contains, sa undefined terms, a line contains at least 2 points. So, I have an illustration. Meron tayong line T. Tapos, meron tayong dalawang points, which is the L and M. So, in previous lesson, alam na natin paano pag-name ng isang line. So, we can name this as line T or magagamit natin yung dalawang points, which is line LM. So, line T contains points L and M. Postulate 2, a plane contains at least 3 non-collinear points. Na-discuss na din natin yan sa plane, sa undefined terms. So, a plane contains at least 3 non-collinear points. So, you have an illustration. Meron tayong si plane T, kung i-name natin siya, si plane T, or we can name this as plane QRS. So, plane T contains 3 non-collinear points, Q, si point Q, point R, and point S. Postulate 3, through any 2 points, there is exactly one line. Diba? A line contains 2 points. So, we have an illustration. We have line R or line AB. 2 points determine a line. Actions, postulate 4. Through any 3 non-collinear points, there is exactly one plane. See our illustration again, plane T or plane QRS. Through points Q, R, and S, there is exactly one plane. Only plane T. Postulate 5. 2 points lie on the plane, then the line joining them lies on that plane. Of course, kung meron tayong dalawang points sa loob ng plane, syempre yung line niya nandun din sa loob ng plane. So, line AB lies in plane C. Postulate 6, we have 2 intersecting plane, which is the plane C and plane D, nag-i-intersect sila. So, ang point of their intersection, unang point of intersection ay si A, pangalawa ay si point B. So, plane C and D intersects at AB or line AB. The line of intersections of two planes is a line. Ito yung line of intersection nila, nagpo-form ng line. Next, we have our theorems. Sa theorems naman, meron tayong tatlo. So, what is theorems? These are statements that can be proven. Once a theorem is proven, it can be used as a reasoning in proving other statement. So, pag napatunayan siya, pwede mo siya magamit as in proving other statements. So, we have Theorem 1. If two lines intersect, then they intersect at exactly one point. So, pag nag-intersect yung dalawang point, katulad ng ano natin kanina, pag nag-intersect yung dalawang point, so merong, pag nag-intersect yung dalawang lines, it will form an intersection, point of intersection. Katulad nito, dalawang linya, which is line N and line M, nag-intersect sila in a certain point, which is point P. So, line LM intersects line LM intersects line NO at a point P. Point P is the point of intersection. Theorems 2. If a point lies outside the line, then exactly one plane contains both the line and the point. So, ito yung illustration natin. A point lies outside the line. Point C. Wala siya sa line AB. Outside the line. Then, exactly one plane contains both the line and the plane. Kasi nandito siya sa loob ng plane. So, plane D, ito si plane D contains line AB and point C. Theorem 3. If two lines intersect, then exactly one plane contains both lines. Kung nag-i-intersect daw yung dalawang linya, etong dalawang linya ay nandyan sa loob ng plane. Katulad nito, si plane D contains line AB and line B and line A. Ang point of intersection nila ay si point C. The intersection of line A and B contains in plane D, si point C. Nandyan sa loob ng plane D. So, we will have an activity. Determine the postulate or theorem you would use to justify the statement made about each figure. So, number 1, AB lies in plane C. So, ito yung figure. So, anong postulate or theorem ang ginagamit dito? The answer is postulate 5. Do you remember? Balikan ninyo. Postulate 5, it says, if two points lies in the plane, then the line joining them lies on that plane. Two points lie in the plane. So, ang 2 points down na nandyan sa loob ng plane. So ang line din na nag-join sa kanila ay nasa loob din ng plane. Number 2. Only one line contains points D and E. Ito yung illustration natin. Only one line contains points D and E. So, Syempre, isa lang ang linya yung pwedeng mag-connect sa kanila kasi dalawang points lang. So, anong postulate to? Postulate 3. It says, through any 2 points, there is exactly one line. Number 3, there's another point beside point E and on D. There is another point beside point E on D. So, we have an illustration. Si line D ay merong another point. Si line D ay merong another point beside point E. Kasi, doon sa postulate na nagsasabi, a line contains 2 points. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang si point E dyan. Kasi, hindi siya makapag-form ng line kung isang point lang. So, anong postulate to? Postulate 1, it says a line contains at least 2 points. Number 4, one plane contains A, B, and C. So, 3 points. Ito yung illustration. So, anong postulate to? The answer is postulate 4. Through any 3 non-collinear points, there is exactly one plane. Number 5, one plane contains line A and C. Illustration natin, dalawang linya. Nag-i-intersect si line A and line C. Nag-i-intersect at the point of intersection ay si point B. So, what postulate to? Postulate 3. It says, if 2 lines intersect, then exactly one plane contains both the lines. Okay, number 6, one plane contains line B, C, and E. Line B, C, and E. Postulate 2. If a point lies outside the line, then exactly one plane contains both the line and a point. Okay, so, try ninyo to. Pause nyo muna yung video. Kumuha kayo ng papel at ballpen. Try to answer this para malalaman ninyo kung may natutunan kayo sa lesson natin. So, we will answer to, sabay-sabay nating sagutan. Write true or false to the following statement. 2 points always determine a line. Number 1. 2 points points always determine a line. True or false? And that is true. Number 2, a theorem is a statement that is only accepted after it has been proven. Theorem daw ay a statement that is only accepted after it has been proven. False. Then, number 3, points that lie on the same line are non-collinear. Points lie on the same line are non-collinear. True or false? That is false because points lies on the same line are collinear. Number 4, points, lines, and planes are the basis in defining other terms in geometry. That is true kasi ito yung mga bases, points, lines, and plane in defining other terms in geometry. Number 5, a postulate is a statement that is only accepted after it has been proven. False. Then, number 6, at least 3 non-collinear points determine a plane. 3 non-collinear points determine a plane. True. 7, points, lines, and planes can be modeled in real-life objects. And that is true. So, kung nakakuha kayo 7 out of 7, congratulations. Ibig sabihin na intindihan niyo yung lesson natin. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa susunod nating mga lesson. Thank you and bye-bye.